Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you can you get HeyGen Premium for free. So let's just see. So before we begin, the thing is that usually these softwares are paid and do cost you some amount of money, but HeyGen do have a free plan which does offer pretty much everything onto their platform. But if you're looking to upgrade to a premium version and looking it for free, it is basically bit hard to find, and chances are quite slim for that. So what I suggest is you can head over to the link in the description of this video and get up to 22% off onto their plans. So you can see already they do have very reasonable pricing, and once you opt for these you will get 22% off using the link in the description below, and you can consider it not completely for free but almost for free. So that's how you can get it. And yeah, so there's no as such way to get it for free. Of course, if you're using it, let's just say on your local machine or something like that. But yeah, for now, it do have only paid plans and a free plan that does offers pretty much everything. So I hope this answers the question. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, and see you in the next video.